Hello everyone, welcome to Raw Online. I'm Dr. Abhinaya, I'm a consultant pediatrician. So in Nelson based pediatrics teaching, we are dealing with the chapter on rheumatology. The first topic in the rheumatology chapter will be evaluation and treatment of rheumatic disease. So this is a basic principle based chapter and we'll get started. So whenever a patient presents to us in the OPD, what are the symptoms that will tell you to think of a rheumatic disease? Number one will be a joint pain. Any child or any patient who complains of joint pain, think of a rheumatic disease. Next is fatigue. Along with joint pain, if the patient complains of fatigue or fever or rash or all the four symptoms if they are present also, we need to think very strongly of a rheumatic disease. Joint pain will be the center. So, joint pain with fever, joint pain with rash or joint pain with fatigue, think of a rheumatic disease. So, basically the rheumatology is a multidisciplinary treatment in most of the diseases. So, pediatric rheumatologist or a combination of rheumatologist and a pediatrician in combination with an ophthalmologist, because uveitis has to be screened and treated, nephrologist because most of the rheumatological conditions affect kidney, and orthopedic for mobilization of the joints to keep the patients mobilized. A physiotherapist are all important. Dermatologist, especially in cutaneous lupus, in JDMS, in conditions like cutaneous involvement, a dermatologist should be present. Gastroenterologist, if there are gastroenterology complaints or involvement of the hepatosplenomegaly is present or a GI vasculitis, so gastroenterologist is needed. Nutritionist, a nurse, a social worker and a physiotherapist. So, it's basically a multidisciplinary treatment approach for any child with a rheumatological. So, another new drug, belimumab. Again, it is not FDA approved in children, but a very interesting concept here, belimumab. So, this is a humanized monoclonal antibody. So, this is nothing but, so all the B cells, just look at this diagram, very beautifully described here. B cells will need the B lymphocyte stimulator. So, this is B lymphocyte stimulator. So, this green particle here is the B lymphocyte stimulator. So, what does belimumab do? So, this is the drug name. Benlysta basically is the commercial name for belimumab. What it does is, it goes and targets and binds to the B lymphocyte stimulator. So, this is your B cell. B lymphocyte stimulator is not available because the drug goes and sits over the B lymphocyte stimulator, and finally what happens? All the autoreactive B cells, all the surviving B cells will go into apoptosis.